the bridge, checking a B8 that we're gonna buy right now. Getting underneath of it, it's a completely different ball game than just been driving it. We're getting it. We actually getting this one. You are.
You should definitely buy it.
Why? Because it got a brush. I don't know. It feels different to any truck that I've driven before. All right, we've been looking. After we went to A&M, amazing trucks. I really like some of them. But I found a truck that is, instead of being a 2012, it's a 2015. It's got most horsepower, which is going to be beneficial as well if we're going to be doing different kind of jobs, things going from bulker to low loaders and stuff like that, because we're not too sure if we're going to stick to one side of the industry. We want to like cover that as much as we can, so we can make as much money as we can. Found this one online, spoke to the guy. We came up to a deal and he asked me like, would you like to come and have a look at it next week? It's been a week already and we're just going past it. So we're gonna turn around now and go into his yacht. So I got a good feeling about this. You can see that, like just turn there, I think. Yeah, so like that's the entrance there. So you just flow past it as well. Yeah, that's the one. So right at the back. Probably another entrance somewhere. It's probably got more than one entrance as well. I think that's the truck there. Oh, that's the truck there standing. That's it. Oh, he washed it as well. Oh, it's got loads. It's that one there. Yeah. So we spoke to him. That's the truck back there. He's gonna try to get him in one of the warehouses. It's got something that you can put the truck on top and then go underneath. So when he goes underneath, well, on top of that, and we go underneath, we can have a look at it. So put light and have a look in the bottom. Amazing guy, really genuine, everything straightforward, brought in everything.
Seems a good truck.
That's good. It's a lot of work to get done on there. Painting and all the rest of stuff. Painting.
Minor scratches and that's it.
So she's quite acid when it comes to buying stuff, so. She's saying that.
It's a
yes
good. From me.
All right. All right, he's putting the truck in there, so in the shop. Go and have a look at it. He's gonna reverse it in. Huh, can't wait to get in there for that. I just got myself all dirty as well. It's all right.
There you go.
Reversing the trucking. Can't wait to get underneath for that as well. Just reversing it. It's quite a big hole there as well. And I have to change my trainers as well. Nick, when you go and buy a truck, make sure you use some dirty clothes. Go on. Test the brakes. That's a big hole there. So have a look underneath for any leaks or anything like that. It's in condition. All right, having a look underneath of it. The tire nearly came off it.
I know.
Look at this. All right, we're looking for any apparent leaks anywhere, oil or anything like that. It's no air leaks. We just checked the MOT as well. Everything is looking completely fine. Getting underneath of it, it's a completely different ball game than just been driving it. But I got a little bit of experience as a mechanic. My dad's a mechanic. All the advisory, everything looks absolutely tremendous. It's a little bit of something there. A lot of oil there. Okay. I'm pretty happy with the stuff I'm seeing. I can't see any leaks anywhere other than that. Right. The tires are good on the inside as well. All right, let me just get out of here now. I'm more than happy with that. Tires looking really good. They got a lot of thread tires, you know, love. So I'm more than happy with that. Should we pay in now? Okay, yeah, we're getting it. We actually getting this one. Let's just step over this. Just get in. You're right. Okay. How do you? Okay, the opposite is same as mine. Let's just have a look at this. It comes with shovel and a brush as well.
You should definitely buy it now.
You are.
You should definitely buy it.
Why? Because you got a brush. That's more than good to me. But it's a lot of work to be done. I'm more than happy to do it. All right, let's have a look at it. Side. Oh, that's gonna need fixing as well. Yeah, it doesn't stay up. Yeah, a lot of things need fixing. All right, I didn't say this. It's an R520 B8, which is what we want. It's a metal lift axle as well. Woo, yes. So spoke to the fella. We're gonna go for a test drive on this truck. It's quite massive on the inside.
It is actually.
It's pretty big. It's just something I like to have a look at it. We're gonna stop over one of the services over there to have a look at it. It's quite nice. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
It's not a trailer here as well, so.
Does it feel strange driving without a trailer?
No.
Are you used to it?
No. But whoever's is in this truck, it's like he doesn't really care. The good thing about it is that we got sat nav included. It looks pretty good. Yeah, it's completely weird. It's completely different as well. But it's smooth. I can feel like.
It feels smooth to me, to be honest.
Woo!
No speed.
Wow.
I've been in.
Oh, it's your first time.
I've been in your truck loads, but I've never been in.
I never took you for a test drive, have I? Wow, this is fast. This is fast. This. The truck I drive, it normally doesn't drive like this. This is completely fast. This, other than the ones I have drove in the past. Wow. I don't know. It feels different to any truck that I have driven before. I'm trying all the buttons here and trying to find out which one is the best one. All right. Where's the horn? Oh, this is amazing. All right, need to find somewhere quick where to actually stop and have a look at this. Why are you taking pictures? Why are you taking pictures? Yeah? No way, no way. I look dummy. Not with this thing on my head, obviously. Stop quickly here in the bridge and get out of the way. So it's been a while since I stopped on one of these bridges, to be honest. All right, we're out of the way. Let's go and have a look on the truck outside. What do you think? Okay, let's do it. All right, slow to do on this. That's not a dent.
It is.
That's part of this.
No, that you can see it's been dented. The other side's not like that. I think it's just the bodywork. It's nothing major.
No. Yeah, even the wheel nodes, wheelies or whatever they call, they need changing as well. It's not too bad, I think. For the price.
Yeah, there's only just silly little things.
Yeah, it needs loads of work.
You're painted anyway, aren't you?
Yes, that's right. So, by the looks of it, I think like all this is like paint. It needs painting and stuff.
Just superficial.
So you see this side is exactly the same. I think we're gonna need new alloys as well. That's getting changed as well. It's a lot of work to be done in this truck, loads of it, like so much you wouldn't believe it. So I'm looking at it, sweeping it over, making sure it's the right truck, and the inside doesn't look that great. I just been for a drive, so it's amazing. So have a look at the inside now. All right, so it's a highest normal. The inside is a little bit of a mess, but that's all right. It's got two bunkers. Well, it's got a bunker and it's got a bed, obviously. Oh, they're both beds anyway. Oh yes, I saw this online. That was open up. That's a normal bed. The radio needs a little bit, couple of things fixing. Probably that radio's gonna need changing as well. Steering wheel is a little bit. It's gonna need a deep clean as well, because the person who uses it smokes as well, which is not a problem. We can get that sorted. And the missus is taking pictures of everything right now. So yes. Oh, and starts absolutely straight away. Come on, get in. Should we go then?
Let's go.
So.
Yeah, the inside's fine. It just needs a clean. That's.
And he's got an inverter as well. I don't know if he's gonna take it out, to be honest.
Oh yeah.
But it needs a deep clean. Yeah, the person that uses it smokes.
Oh god. Quite a bit.
Yeah, let's go then. You can't even feel it when you put gears in or anything. That's good. Let's go, what?
Knickknacks, crisps.
You want to steal it now? One thing I would like to do is put a trailer on this before I take it, you know. And he said as well that he's gonna change the injectors as well.
Yeah.
So for the same price, gonna change injectors. It's too much of a good deal. I think he's just a nice bloke.
Yeah, I think he's a nice bloke. Probably just wants trucks. He's got a new truck, just wants to get rid of it.
Yeah, he said that. He's got a new truck coming in, so he doesn't need any other trucks. And this is fabulous, this. It's got 1,000,000 miles, but I've seen trucks like this for more money than this one we're paying for. than any other trucks.
Yeah.
So, all right, we're going in now. All right, let's go and drop this truck and talk about it. And I will tell you everything on the debrief of how much we're paying for this. You're gonna be shocked. And the reason for him selling it is because he's got brand new trucks. So that is an 580 as well, B8. And it's actually a brand new 2023. Absolutely amazing. I like that truck. It's very nice. It's got a new box and all that kind of stuff.
Bought a truck!
Hold on, say it again.
We just bought a bloody truck.
All right, we just bought the truck. We're gonna come and get it next week. I need to get on the insurance, road tax, this and that. It's too much to do. So
we need to go to the garage, get the maintenance agreement set up, and
that's today.
the premises. No, he's on holiday till Wednesday, so I can pop up Wednesday if you want to. You're working.
Popping in. Okay. Wow, it's been an exciting day.
Oh, I made up for you.
Whew.
Well done, my love.
So I'm gonna be ringing the insurance now and finding out how much everything's gonna be. So last time I quoted it was 7 grand, and then went down a little bit.
Yeah, it's
shocking.
yeah. Ring them up now.
All right, I'm gonna ring them up and then I feel during with all the details that everything's gonna happen. So let's do it.